You used to see multiple models all claiming to be number one. It's not like they're lying. In a sense, they're statistically tied. Here's how to read that.
I'm Joyce from LMArena, and today I'm here with Clayton, one of the engineers behind our leaderboard rankings. Clayton, I see columns called raw rank and rank spread on the leaderboards. Can you tell us what that actually means?
Sure. So the arena score is just a number that represents how strong the model is. And that's a number like 1,500, 1,400, 1,200, and the higher number means the stronger that model is. The rank is the order of that model in the leaderboard. So like first, second, or third, and it's the order when they're sorted by the arena score. So actually in that one, lower is better.
What about the CI and rank spread?
Yeah, so CI stands for confidence intervals, and that's how we measure the uncertainty in the arena scores. And we use 95% confidence intervals, and that represents a range in which we think the true score lies. And the rank spread is when we convert that statistical uncertainty from the score into the ranking.
Okay, so it's not just one number.
Exactly, it's two numbers, and it's the optimistic rank and the pessimistic rank, which is how high we think the model could be and how low we think the model could be at its worst.
So why the change?
Yeah, so before we only showed one ranking column, and that was the optimistic ranking. And the issue with that is that it favors models with higher uncertainty. So if you think about a new model that has very little data, it has a really wide confidence interval. And that means that its score could be really high or it could be really low. And by only showing the upper bound rank, we're sort of biasing it towards that high one, and we're ignoring the possibility that it could be lower.
So newer models with less data could be artificially high?
Right, so it wasn't intentionally misleading, but it just didn't show the full story. And we got a lot of good feedback about this from our community, and we think the change will clear up a lot of confusion.
How do we actually get the rank spread from confidence intervals?
Yeah, I can explain that with an example. So each model has a range for its score defined by its confidence interval. For the rank spread, the upper bound rank is the rank in the case where this model is performing at the top of its CI and all of the other models perform at their worst. And similarly, the lower bound rank is when this model performs at its worst and all of the others perform at their best.
So the rank spread is saying that the model could realistically be anywhere in this range?
Exactly. And when the rank spreads for different models overlap, like if one ranges from first to fourth and another from second to fifth, that indicates a statistical tie, and we can't be completely certain if one is better than the other.
So how should somebody choose between them?
Yeah, so in cases of statistical ties, it might be the case that they're ties in the aggregate, but it would be important to check against your specific use cases.
Oh, like occupational leaderboards. If I'm a lawyer, I might look up to see which model is best at legal stuff?
Exactly, or arena expert.
Okay, so this update came from community feedback, right?
It did. I had some really great discussions with our Discord community about that, and I'm super grateful for their feedback.
Clayton, when people are looking at the leaderboard now, what is the one thing you want them to understand?
Yeah, so the raw rank is our best estimate. The rank spread shows the uncertainty. And if there's ties and overlapping confidence intervals, you don't need to treat it as a definitive ranking, and you should evaluate it for yourself on your own tasks.
All right. Thank you, Clayton. Check out LMArena.ai for our latest leaderboard and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at how we evaluate AI models.